buy my product.
Why?
Because I want you to, and if you don't, I'll stalk you tonight.
I guess.
Are you gonna drink it?
Why do I have to drink it now?
Because if you don't, I'm still gonna stalk you tonight.
I guess.
That tastes disgusting! Swallow it. Oh, that's gross.
Bye.
Good luck.
What does that mean?
Okay.
I feel really weird. Is it because of that stuff that I drank? Maybe that's why she said good luck. Did I just go backwards? Just a second. If I'm backwards, it's time to have some fun!
Thumbs up! Bye!